Good day, brothers and sisters. My name is Kobe. I'm a full-time lay missionary from the Live Christ, Share Christ mission. And I am currently assigned in North and Central Luzon. In a world that often feels broken, divided, and overwhelmed, the heart of Jesus still beats, full of love, mercy, and promise. Every June, we celebrate the Sacred Heart of Jesus, a powerful reminder that God's love is not distant, but it is burning, living, and personal. In His own words, Jesus gave 12 promises to those who honor His Sacred Heart. Today, let us reflect on 3 that speak directly to our world right now. First, I will give them all the graces necessary for their state in life. No matter who you are, a parent, a student, a worker, a priest, and a lay, Jesus promises us that we will never face life alone, that God meets us exactly where we are. He will give us the strength, the patience, the wisdom, the grace, and to endure. Madalas tayong lahat nag-aalala. Napapatanong, kaya ko pa ba to? Sapat ba ako? Pero sinasabi sa atin ni Jesus na ipagkakalob niya sa ating ang ating pangangailangan sa tamang oras at sa tamang paraan. Kaya kahit anong kinaharap mo ngayon, remember, God knows where you are and what situation you are into. Kita ka na. You will never be alone. Pangalawa na sinabi niya, I will establish peace in their homes. Peace doesn't start in governments or treaties. It begins in the home where there is forgiveness, kindness, and prayer. Hindi kawalan ng problema ang simula ng kapayapaan, kundi ang pagkakaroon ng presensya ni Kristo sa buhay o puso ng mga taong nasa loob ng tahanan. Na kahit na may hindi pagkakaunawaan o may pagsubok man na dumating, nananatiling matibay at nagbubuklod ang pamilya dahil ang sandigan nito ay si Kristo. Pangatlo na sinabi niya, sinners shall find in my heart the source and infinite ocean of mercy. No one is too lost. No one is too far. In His Sacred Heart, Jesus offers an ocean of mercy. Not a drop, but an ocean. Walang sino man ang perpekto. Tayong lahat ay nagkakamali, nasusugatan, at nakakasugal. Ngunit sa harap ng banal na puso ni Jesus, tayo hindi tinatanggihan. Tayo ay inaanyayahan. Kung minsan iniisip natin na hindi na tayo karapat-dapat lumapit sa Kanya, pero sa pangako ni Jesus, malinaw ang Kanyang sinabi na mas malaki ang awa niya kaysa sa kasalanan. So whenever we fall, let us run to the Sacred Heart of Jesus, for there we will find forgiveness, healing, and a new beginning. Thank you for supporting LCSC through Video 300. We hope that you continue to support the mission with your donations and also share to others so that everyone may meet, live, and share Christ. Thank you.